Did you know that Tesla's autopilot can detect and respond to potential accidents in just milliseconds, sometimes even faster than a human driver? Tesla's automated technology has been a game changer in the world of driving, enhancing safety and performance like never before. By harnessing the power of advanced sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms, Tesla's vehicles are able to detect and respond to their surroundings in ways that human drivers can only dream of. From eliminating driver fatigue to mitigating the risks of distracted driving, Tesla's automated tech is revolutionizing the way we get from point A to point B, and as we'll explore in this video, the benefits of this technology go far beyond just convenience. They can literally be the difference between life and death. So buckle up and join me as we dive into the world of Tesla's high-speed heroics, where automated tech saves the day time and time again. Driving can be a hazardous activity, and even the most careful among us can find ourselves facing unexpected obstacles or distractions on the road. Whether it's a pedestrian stepping out into the crosswalk, a deer jumping into our path, or a sudden road closure, the unexpected can occur at any moment. Despite our best efforts, distractions are a major contributor to accidents on the road. Whether it's a text message, a GPS notification, or simply a moment of lost focus, taking our eyes off the road can have devastating consequences. In fact, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, distracted driving is responsible for thousands of deaths and hundreds of thousands of injuries every year in the United States alone. But what if your vehicle could detect these potential hazards before they even occur? What if it could take control of the wheel and steer you safely around obstacles, or even bring you to a complete stop in emergency situations? These aren't just pie-in-the-sky fantasies, they're the reality of Tesla's automated technology, which is designed to protect drivers and passengers from the unexpected dangers of the road. One of the most significant challenges faced by drivers is the sheer amount of information we need to process on the road. From monitoring our speed and distance to detecting potential hazards and adjusting our route, driving is a complex task that requires our full attention. But what if you could offload some of that workload to your vehicle? What if your car could take care of the mundane tasks of driving, freeing you up to focus on the road ahead and enjoy the journey? That's exactly what Tesla's autopilot system is designed to do. By harnessing the power of advanced sensors and AI algorithms, autopilot is able to detect and respond to potential hazards on the road, taking control of the wheel and steering you safely around obstacles. And it's not just about avoiding accidents. Autopilot can also help you navigate complex road networks, adjust your speed and distance for optimal fuel efficiency, and even take control of parking and other low-speed maneuvers. Of course, no discussion of Tesla's automated tech would be complete without mentioning emergency braking. This critical safety feature is designed to bring your vehicle to a complete stop in emergency situations, protecting you and your passengers from the unexpected dangers of the road. But how does it work? In short, Tesla's emergency braking system uses a combination of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to detect potential hazards on the road, from stopped vehicles to pedestrians and other obstacles. When a potential hazard is detected, the system alerts the driver and prepares the brakes for emergency deployment. If the driver fails to respond, the system can take control of the brakes and bring the vehicle to a safe stop. It's a life-saving technology that has already been proven in real-world scenarios, and it's just one of the many ways in which Tesla's automated tech is changing the face of driving. In fact, Tesla's automated technology has already been involved in several high-profile incidents where it's helped to prevent accidents or save lives. From detecting and responding to unexpected obstacles to taking control of the wheel and steering drivers safely around hazards, Tesla's automated tech has proven itself time and time again in real-world scenarios. One example that comes to mind is the story of a Tesla owner who was involved in a serious accident on the highway. Thanks to the quick thinking of Tesla's autopilot system, the vehicle was able to detect and respond to the hazard in time, bringing the vehicle to a safe stop and protecting the driver and passengers from harm. It's a testament to the power of Tesla's automated technology, and a reminder of the critical role it can play in enhancing safety and performance on the road. So what does the future hold for Tesla's automated tech? As the technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more advanced safety features and capabilities rolled out in the years to come. From fully autonomous driving to advanced safety features like pedestrian detection and automatic emergency calling, the potential applications of Tesla's automated tech are virtually limitless. In the end, it's clear that Tesla's automated technology is more than just a gimmick or a luxury feature. It's a critical component of modern driving, one that can literally mean the difference between life and death. So what do you think about automated driving and its potential to change the future of transportation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on Tesla's innovations.